Hey guys, it's snowing out. I don't like this. This is crazy. You can, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a almost freaking blizzard. It's November. This isn't cool. This is way too early in the year for this. I just dropped her off, so I'm gonna walk in and see if we can find anything in here and get into this video. So let's go. Crazy. Okay. It's already clearance down a little bit. That's good because it was overpriced to begin with. It's cool that you can finally find AEW figures. I'm not collecting them, but if I see a chase, we might have a giveaway. But chances of me finding a chase are pretty slim. It's not as easy as the elites because they say chase right on them, so everyone knows. All right. Any new cars? Nope. That's a Leon. Yeah, I got that. Alright, let's go. Alright, Walmart. Check the record. Is that clearance?
I wonder.
Yeah. These things. There, but those are pops. They actually are pretty stocked.
I guess.
I mean, there's not big giant gaps like that, like there was this.
That's true.
There's stuff falling. Hey, look, the new Spider-Man wave. It's the first one I've seen. Is Doctor Strange. The rest is all Sprite. There's a Spider-Man exclusive to here for that wave. They have Ajax, but we have Ajax. Jeez.
I actually do got a lot of stuff here.
Yeah.
Shopping and stuff like that.
Christmas coming up. Yeah, it's the Fast and the Furious rock.
Oh, Hobbs and Shaw.
Yeah. Otis. Is that the only elite that they have? Oh, they have Sid Justice, Bray Wyatt, more Rock. Huh, Icarus. Alright. And another Walmart. All the Eternals. No, it's basic wave. Bunch of Stalker. I want him in 6-inch. Couple his tanks. Icarus. This one's a lot emptier than the last one we were at. And they have the Cena. All basics. Two guys that are no longer with the company. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Giant Spider-Mans here at Target. New up. Princess Buttercup. Indigo. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
I like how they have Athena here. Like being hidden.
Mm-hmm. Over here, NECAs. Nothing jumping out.
Excuse me, an R2-D2 Tamagotchi?
Where? Oh.
How much is
That's
it?
funny.
All of my Tamagotchis died, but
Oh. Pac-Man.
I thought it was $80 for a second. I kind of want it.
So this guy right here is in the kitchen at the restaurant right now in Fortnite, and we were playing. And we walked in there and he scared Cassie because she thought it was a player. She almost shot him. He's just tons of crow. A bunch of Druid. Hold this way first. Jack Sparrow. Low 2. Look, LeBron has his head.
Wow.
Let's see. Jungle Boy. Luchasaurus. I haven't seen Gronk in a while. Al Cena.
Rock and Rock.
There's the new Rey Mysterio. Angel Garza, Cena. I want to see that Trish Stratus to see if I want it or not, but I need to see it in person. MVP. Okay. Hoth Rebel Trooper. Okay.
Okay, but I want this.
What is that? Oh, puzzle? Oh shit, Cyclops. Magneto. I haven't seen them yet. Tons of Eternals. Just waiting for the clearance on them. More Crow. Once they go on clearance, I'm gonna go hopping around and buying them all, but I'm waiting until then. So. Jojo. All right, let's go home. Is that the... It is. Get off of the peg. Oh boy. Animated series. Superman animated series Flash. I'm not getting this right now, but I will be getting that to go with the other big chested animated series figures. All right. Well, this Myers over here. Let's see what we got. Good luck. I've got all of those. Dang. Well, they got a ton of the movie Joes. Some Pred Box. Star Wars. I would have been interested, but they're doing a Legends Triple H, so. Checking out the pops. Huh, this one has the Target Batman 2.
I think somebody just returned it.
Right, but that was, Avon has the same thing.
I don't know.
That's weird. Maybe Meyer got them too, I don't know. Well, they have some fast cars. I don't have either one of these. I don't know if I've ever seen that one. I might have. It's a pretty car. I think I'm still gonna wait on both of those right now. Just basic cars. There you go, fine Cass. She just left. She just ran off, so that's it for here. All right, exchange. See if we can find something. See if there's anything good.
40 bucks, geez, that's not bad for trees.
Right. It's also high up in the sky.
It's Dragon Ball Z car.
Yeah, they must have just bought the wave.
Chase for 10 bucks.
Oh, Catwoman and. Oh, yeah. There's some sodas. Stan Lee bobblehead. Anime stuff. Power Rangers. Yo-Joe. Psylocke swimsuit edition. Interesting. Gundams. Spawn. Star Wars. More pops. I think we have that Cord Chase. Some wrestling stuff. Teen Wolf. It's really not that good. I don't know much about Dragon Ball Z, but I do love the figures.
There's the No Way Home Spider-Man.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Any
Yeah, they got
exclusives?
Moreland. If it's got the Tom Holland face sculpt, it's the exclusive.
Okay.
I got 2 T'Chillas. Regular Spider-Man. Black and gold suit Spider-Man. I'm gonna get these eventually, but I'll wait on them right now. I do want this Moreland though.
It does look really good.
Mm-hmm. Flash.
I'm looking at the list that I was sent.
These. Bunch of Supermans. Wrestling. Oh, there's another one of these. Dexter Loomis. Scorpio Sky. Alright, nothing good. Alright, one last stop in here at GameStop. Maybe buy something, maybe not. As of right now, one sold out. That's like essentially really just trying to order one and have it essentially hold up. More pops. I walked right by and didn't even notice they had Iceman. He's the one I want the most, but I'm still gonna wait. Right now. Remember we gotta split this one up. Okay. Alright guys, we didn't buy anything for ourselves in this one. I did pick up this Io Shirai wrestling chick for Vince, my cousin. But that was it. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Maybe.